Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you some of the updates that we have for our email editor in Command. So it makes it a lot easier to create content, create newsletters, event invites, all kinds of really cool stuff. So to access the email editor, all we have to do is go to Designs. And from there, we can choose from any of the things that we've already created. However, one thing to note is that anything that was created in the past using the previous email editor is not able to be edited. So that's one thing that you'll have to keep in mind is we're not able to edit, change, or even access the previous email editor designs. Now, if you did add yourself to a smart plan with this design, it would give you the content and you could copy and paste that information. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna start a brand new one. So I'm gonna choose Create Design, and I'll choose Email. From here, we've got a whole bunch of templates already added in for the new email editor that you can choose from. You can choose to start with any of these email templates and then just replace the content, but I'm gonna go ahead and create a brand new one. So I'm gonna do Create New Template. And you can see here, I've got a couple of different options now. I can create separate columns within the email to make the organization a little bit easier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start by adding in the legal header. That way my information populates here automatically for me. And if I wanted to have two columns and I wanted one of them to be small, one of them to be larger, I would just drag and drop this right into there. Now you can see I've got two separate spaces to add content into. So if I wanted to add, let's say, an image into this column, you just drag and drop that right in. I can choose an image here, or I can add images directly from my computer. I'm just going to add this one. And this is where I can create a link from clicking on the image. I can replace the image. Now, if I wanted to add in some text into this area, I can just drag and drop that out into here, edit the text here, and I can do the same things that I used to be able to do, which is edit the font, the size, type content into here. And if I wanted to add a little bit more text down there, I can just do this. Now, what I can also do, I can put a divider here so it breaks up the email I'm sending, and then I can put another content block down here. If I didn't want to add multiple columns, I could just take this, let's just say Market Snap. We'll add that in there. Put in the zip code that I want to do the Market Snap for, choose the neighborhood. You can see I can change the font for the Market Snap, and this information will get pulled automatically for me. Then let's say even further below, I wanted to add two columns down there. So I could add more content into it. It just makes it a little bit easier to add content in and a little bit more control over the design of the email here. So all the same old content blocks are here. We're just able to organize them a little bit better. That way they're not just, one option here, one option here. We can select different content blocks and put them into different areas there. So if I'm ready to save that, I can just give that a nice name. Can preview it to see what it's going to look like. And I just do save and close, and now I have that design that I can send out to people within my database. But yeah, that's the new email updates. Again, the only thing that's kind of a downside is we're not able to edit the old email content that we had. However, the new email editor is much, much better. You'll find it a lot easier to work with.